Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any PDF file into PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use slidespilot.com. So first of all, you can visit this website and then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account, and then here you can convert your PDF file into PowerPoint file. And I'm going to choose convert to PowerPoint. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to upload my PDF file. And guys, I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to click on open. Okay, and now the file is ready, and I'm going to click on convert with AI. For the output language, I'm going to choose Indonesian language like this, and then I'm going to click on convert with AI. Oops, wait, I think I'm going to choose auto detect. Okay, and then I'm going to click on convert with AI, and I'm going to pick a theme. For the theme, I'm going to choose this one, the coral theme, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the result. And if you want to edit the PowerPoint, you can click on edit and download. And you can edit the PowerPoint as you like. And then once you're ready to download it, you can click on download right here. Okay, here you can change the background, and then you can change the text. It's up to you. You can also add tables, chart, or layouts or images. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.